hi again. I'm Darviny and welcome back to Table Tuesday. Today we'll be talking about pink, because this is a pink table. But how to be spontaneous with your tables and let this be again your blank canvas, because this one came out of nowhere. I don't know where it came from. It was not planned, but it was definitely a very affordable table. And again, as I always say, use what you have. This is bougainvillea. For those of you who have not seen this plant, it grows abundantly and wild all over South Florida and in warm climates. So you pick these off in every yard, you pick them up and they come in different colors, oranges, pale pinks, brighter pinks. And because they don't wilt right away, these make a great arrangement for flowers so that you don't have to buy flowers. Again, always use what you have. So you can make little vases of them like this, or I like to just throw them on the table and maybe mix them up like this. So I had an abundance of limes, and I said, what can I mix with pink? I had these 99-cent at Home Goods dishes, so I bought 20 of them, because sometimes I do have dinner parties, there's 20 people. So for 99 cents, I bought 20 of these. This is actually a melamite dish. This is a plastic dish. It's a summer dish that you can put outside and use for a picnic. It's not ceramic, or it's plastic. So isn't that interesting? We're mixing the plastic here with the ceramic, and this is wood. This is from Pure Ones actually. And this is wood and makes a great charger. Now some people like to even put placemats under a charger and then another dish, another dish, another dish. So this again is all things that I have. This is from a little company called Buku. These are made in Mexico by women actually, and none of them are the same. They're all crooked and different sizes, and they're pink. I've always seen these in blue, but I love these in pink. And this is the lemons that I had. These are the limes, key limes from my neighbor's tree, right? Growing right in my backyard, my neighbor's tree. Limes, and to add a little depth of color, I had some avocados in my bag today from shopping, and kind of put that together. So the pink and green wasn't planned, but it just came together just like that. And this is not even a tablecloth, it's actually a beach sheet that you put on the beach instead of a towel. And those are quite popular in different places down in Florida and in warm weather. So a beach sheet. So this can be used as a tablecloth or for the beach. So that's what was the inspiration today. It just started the way with these 99-cent plates that I bought at Home Goods and said, what can I do with this? And I started building. So it's just fun to be spontaneous. And I always say when you set a table for yourself or for your friends or for your partner or your husband or your boyfriend or your best friend, it makes them feel special, right? So remember, it comes from here, and sharing a table with friends always makes it for a celebration. So use what you have. If you have fruit at home, use your fruit, use your oranges, use your apples, use your limes, use your lemons, use your flowers from your garden, use your pine cones, use rocks. Be inspired with whatever is around you. Be inspired by your yard, be inspired by nature. Whatever it is, let your imagination go and try not to be perfect, because perfection is not necessary here. It's really nice to be imperfect. As I say, perfectly imperfect all the time. So here's to you, and I'll see you next time. A bientôt. Au revoir.